Hello. Here we are outside on a bright, beautiful, sunny day to observe the sun, because today is the day of the Mercury Transit. Now, unlike the Venus Transit, which is a twice-in-a-lifetime event, Mercury Transits are a bit more common, but they still only happen about 13 times or so every century. So, one's occurring today, and it should be going on right now. It started about 7 in the morning, should be going on until about 2 in the afternoon. It's currently 11:50, almost high noon. The sun's almost directly overhead, and we are going to use this telescope to observe it. So, I'm going to point the telescope directly at the sun, and I'm going to see if I can project the image of it on this big old wall behind me. If not, I'm gonna have to run upstairs and get a piece of cardboard or something. So let's set this up. And here it is, the projection. There we go. If you look closely, you can see a circle. That's Mercury right there, that little spot. That's a dot in the cardboard there, but the little dot under it is Mercury. Let's see. I can't zoom in too far because it doesn't know what to focus on. Yep, that is definitely Mercury. Okay, let's try putting in the, this is the low magnification lens. Let's put in the high magnification lens and see what we see there. Oh, that's beautiful. Under the higher magnification, we could totally see a lot better. That perfectly round dot, that's Mercury. Here's some sunspots. You can tell because they're more regularly shaped. But that, my friends, is Mercury. Yay! This is so much easier to film than the Venus Transit, because that day was all cloudy and overcast. But today it is perfectly clear and sunny, and I can see everything. Yep. All right, let's take some pictures with my regular camera, because that'll probably come out a bit sharper. So here is the still image. You can see in the middle is the sunspot. A little bit over to the right is the tiny dot of Mercury. I know this is a white circle and white cardboard. It's kind of hard to see, so I use Photoshop to enhance the contrast. So now you can more clearly see the dot. I even put a handy little label with an arrow pointing to Mercury. So there we go. Mercury. Hooray. Alright, hopefully those still images reveal something. It's actually kind of hard to capture, because although the naked eye can see this little dot pretty easily, there's wind, which is causing just the most minute of tremors on the telescope. Invisible to the naked eye, but under the hundreds of magnifications, it's just kind of jittering around a lot. So it's hard for a camera to focus on this little dot. But it's there. You gotta remember, even though Mercury is closer to the sun, it is much smaller than Venus. And since it's smaller than Venus, that means its dot is also smaller. It's so small that you wouldn't be able to see it with a pinhole projector. You have to use a telescope or a pair of binoculars. And this is what mine can do. Alright, so this has been Wakeangel2K1, showing off his passion for astronomy again. Alright, see you guys around.